Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix OneDrive sync issues on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. First thing you have to sign out and sign in your OneDrive. I recommended it. And after that, you have to try open any browser and search this address microsoft.com and Microsoft 365 OneDrive download. So type similar URL in any web browser. You can set international English or your country language. Then click on download. You can also start OneDrive, and if you have Windows 10, OneDrive is already installed on your PC. If you are using another version of Windows, install OneDrive to get started. So you can start OneDrive if you have already. And in case this button is not working, so you can download this one. And after successfully download, you open this setup file and reinstall this OneDrive. And sign in back. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy steps, we can resolve and we can fix OneDrive problem on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not.